Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready for this? This is going to be a very special unboxing and I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos about luxury handbags, shoes and fashion in general. And I also upload some vlogs. So if you are interested in that, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I don't feel ready because this happened so quickly and I have the same kind of feeling that I had when I last did this, and that was, is this real? Is this really happening? Because I was so lucky, or no wait, I wasn't lucky, my boyfriend was lucky to get a leather appointment at Faubourg Saint-Honoré store on the last day that we was in Paris. And I couldn't believe it. When he got the text, I just screamed and I was so happy. I almost ruined my clothes. We applied on the raffle system on the internet, on the Hermès site, but got a text every day around 1 in the night where it basically says that they couldn't make our appointment. But the last day we got a text, I think it was 2 minutes after 8. We was actually just leaving the Dior store because they closed, and I was just about to buy a bag from Dior because I really wanted something and my hope was very down and I didn't feel that I was going to be lucky, because every essay that we talked to at every Hermès location said basically that it is impossible, and also the fabric is closed in all of August, so they don't have that much bags. Therefore I felt that I needed to buy something because I wanted a bag, and I was so happy. I'm going to make a YouTube video where I'm going to explain the application process and the whole process at the store. So I'm not going to go into any specific details now. This is just the unboxing part, and I can't wait to show you what I got, because even though this bag was not on my wish list, I really wanted it, and right away when I saw it I fell so instantly in love. It is the most perfect bag. I have the Birkin 30 in gold with gold hardware, which is forever going to be my little baby, but this one is going to be my baby number 2. And as you might know, I have wanted a mini Kelly or a Kelly for a while now. On my wish list for 2022 I said that I wanted a Kelly over a Birkin this year because I wanted a shoulder strap, but I couldn't say no to this bag because it is a dream. So I'm not disappointed that I didn't get a Kelly, because when I got to the appointment I asked right away for a Kelly in every size, in every color, but they didn't have any because they are not making any bags in August. So all the Kellys were out, but he brought out to me 2 bags. The first bag that he brought out was this one, and the second one was a Birkin 30 in black with Epsom leather retourné with gold hardware. That was the bag that I declined the first time that I was on the list for a Birkin, so I felt that I couldn't say yes to it because I always imagined my black Birkin in Togo leather, because I prefer Togo leather on Birkins and I prefer Epsom leather on Kellys. So I went for this one, and he also showed me some other bags that I could have together with the one quota bag that I chose. He showed me a mini Evelyn in, I think it was a very beautiful blue color with not a strap. It wasn't the right one for me, and he also showed me a mini Evelyn in a taupe with a taupe strap, but it wasn't for me because I have said before that I don't like the Evelyn that much because of the logo on the front. So I didn't end up buying 2 bags because they weren't perfect. So I only bought this one, and I'm so happy that I bought this one because it is the most perfect and stunning bag. I cannot explain how much I am looking forward to show you guys what I got. So let's unbox the bag. By the size of the box, can you guess what size it is? And as I have said now that it isn't a Kelly, but guess the size and the color in the comments. Pause the video now and do it. And I'm so curious to hear all your guesses, so please do that. And let's unbox my new baby. Here is inside a box. Here is the little clochette, which I'm going to put on later. And here is the bag. And as usual, the bag comes with 2 raincoats. I have 2 raincoats for my Birkin 30, but I haven't worn it yet because I think it is quite a hassle to put it on because I cannot fold it right afterwards. I think it is very hard to do that, so I haven't used it yet, but I'm probably going to use it for this one if I'm carrying it in the rain. And here is the care booklet. Are you ready? So let me present to you my new Birkin 30 in Beton with gold hardware in toggle leather, and it's so freaking beautiful. So on my list I said that I wanted a Nata or a Cray. So this is kind of darker than Nata. It is more cold, but it is very beautiful, and when I saw it in the store I was just sold. It is the most perfect bag I have ever seen. I initially wanted it to be in Cellier Epsom because of the color, but when I thought about it, if I get so lucky to get a special order, I would rather use it on the Cray or the Nata color. Depends on what's available when I'm creating my special order. So this one is a lot different than my special order is going to be, so therefore I just went with it. So let's open it up. So here it is. So here is my new Birkin. What do you guys think about the color? I really love it. And also a reason why I love that the color is a little bit darker is because I am very worried about color transfer. As you might know, I have talked about my bags getting color transfer, so this one I'm going to baby a lot. And I ordered my usual organizer, which is 7 Rue Paradise. It will get in mail very soon. But for now I think I will use my organizer that I have for my other Birkin in gold. And I'm definitely going to take her with me for my trip to Oslo. That was the bag, and it was quite a hassle to get her home from Paris because I didn't want to pack her in my check-in luggage. I don't do that at all with none of my bags. So I had to carry the box inside of the shopping bag all the way through the airport and home. So it was quite a hassle, but it is worth it. So let's talk about the pricing, because I know many of you guys are interested in that, because the prices aren't that easy to find. So this one was 8,150 euros, which is a little bit less than my Birkin 30, which I bought in Norway, because the prices in Norway are a little bit higher than in France. So yeah, that was the price, and I really planned to buy a twilly for it. And when I was in the store, they didn't have any twillies that I think would fit the bag. So when I'm traveling to Oslo now, I'm going to get a twilly for it at the Oslo store, and hopefully I will get a lot of use of her. And she is just the most prettiest bag that I have ever seen. I really like the color. This is a color that I didn't know of before I went into the store and got it, but after I have seen it now, I am really in love with it, and I'm so grateful for the appointment. And yeah, that's my new Birkin bag. And hopefully my next one will be a Kelly this time, and I mean it. But I'm so happy that I got a new quota bag. It isn't the longest time since I got my first quota bag. It was in December, so I'm so happy that I was so lucky to get a new one after a short amount of time. But that was the bag, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a very stunning bag, and I will take a lot of pictures of her. And if you have any questions about the bag or the process or something like that, just leave it in the comments. I will try to answer it the best way that I can. So yeah, that was it for this video, and thank you so much for watching.